Okay, ready. Number 4, Toy. Back to AJ. AJ, setting the play. Back to number 34. Number 34 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 13. CW. Setting the play. Back to XJ. Pass to number 1. To XJ. XJ for 2. To number 1. Number 1. To down. Pass. Pass to AJ. AJ to number 34. Number 34. 3 points. Step up. To number 3. Number 3. Tries the 3. Dribbling the ball. Max defending. Max. Oh. Crossover. To number 34. Number 34. Step back 3 again. No good. Rebound by Soy. Soy. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Leon. Go. By number. Dribbling the ball. Pass to XJ for 2. No good. Soy. Soy Leon. 2 ball.
Championship, waiting na sila. Yung game 1 kanina, maglalaban pa. Game, sila oh. Kulang sila eh.
Number 6. Pass to XJ. XJ jump. And then how? XJ to number 13. CW for 3. Number 34. Number 34. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Pass to CW. CW for 3. Number 6.
Ako naman siya kanina.
Number 6.
Kaya nga pumasok niya number 34.
Number 3 tries to 3 again. No good. All board. Pass to number 3. To number 34. Number 34 layup. 2. Time remaining. 3 minutes 37 seconds. 47-66. CW for 3. To number 34. Number 34.
Ay hindi. Ikaw lang namin.
Dribbling the ball. Setting the play to XJ. XJ takes to number 88. Number 88. Pass to number 35. Mingyao. Mingyao for 2. Rebound by number 34. Number 34 drive. 1 minute and 9 seconds. 71-54. AJ drive. Tries 3 points. No good. Rebound by Mingyao. Mingyao finding a team. Max layup. 2 points. Number 34. Number 34 drive. Penetrates. 2 points. No good. Rebound by 34. 34. 2 points. Back to Max. To number 88.
Next Sabado, laglagan pa ng isa.
Meron pa isa.
Tapos championship na next Sabado.
Soy, looking for teammate. Soy for 3. XJ, looking for Uncle. 2 points by XJ. Okay.